Hello, my natural ladies. We're doing an avocado, aloe vera, honey, and egg treatment. And Kennedy's here today. She has tight curls, so the avocado, the aloe vera, the honey, and the egg will all be placed into a blender. And we're going to put it in our hair in 45 minutes and let you guys see the after product. Well, right here, I'm going to be adding some water and vitamin E to her hair just to give it a little bit of moisturizing before I add any product onto it. You see, she's looking at me like, what are you doing? Why are you spraying this on my hair? But I'm just saturating it and getting ready to put this aloe vera all through her scalp. And I make sure that when I put the aloe vera on her hair, that I'm not just putting it on her hair. I'm actually rubbing it through her scalp. That is one of the aloe vera leaves that I have to make sure all the juices come out. You see me poking it, getting that juice and all the nutrients up to the top. So let me let y'all go ahead and continue to watch. At this point, I'm just adding it all throughout her scalp to make sure that that aloe vera penetrates her scalp. Okay, so right here you guys see me putting the aloe vera at the front of her head. I'm just showing you guys how to apply the aloe vera to the scalp. You want to make sure you're doing it in circular motions, getting everywhere that you may see shortage, breakage, or it may be dry. I like to really saturate the back of her head because my daughter does not like to keep her scarf on at night. So I don't want her to have, toddler cradle cap. So I just make sure that I keep that back part well moisturized. And when I do this treatment, I really get that aloe vera back there. She's like, Mom. Okay, so we have applied all of the aloe vera to her scalp. So what I'm doing now is preparing the aloe vera just to get to her ends. It is so important that you make sure you moisturize and take care of your kids' ends and even your hair. The ends is the foundation, I feel like, of your hair. If it keeps breaking at the ends, you'll never see growth. So you want to make sure you keep them moisturized. You have that aloe vera plentiful. You see them curls are starting to pop. The aloe vera has really set in. So now let's go ahead and add that aloe vera mix. So what I'm doing here is just applying it with my fingers. I'm taking a little bit at a time because it is runny. You added egg, avocado, honey, and aloe vera in a blender with a little bit of distilled water. So it is going to be a little bit runny. So I just take my fingers and apply it like a perm. And for those of you that don't know how to apply a perm, what you do is you add a little bit to the root on the part that you took down, and then the part that I'm holding in my hands, I added the mixture to the root of that area, as you can see me patting it in at the top. So I work it in at the section of the hair that I've taken down and I've separated, and then I add it to the portion that I have in my hand, just so that area is moisturized and it has a lot of product on it, so when I'm taking it apart, it doesn't snag and hurt her when I'm separating it. Because my daughter's curls are so tight, I do have to be a little gentle when I'm separating them because they will snag and break if I'm not careful and the hair isn't moisturized. So let's keep applying, you guys. You see, I work it in at the bottom, and then I'll be working it in at the top. So continue to watch me put this luxurious moisturizing mixture in her hair. Now that you've added all of your product, it is time for the massage, mom and dad. Kids love this part, or in my opinion, my daughter loves it. She loves when I massage into her scalp, getting all of that product within her scalp, and just giving her a good massage with my fingers. It's just the old school method I picked up from my mom, and I feel like it gives the hair follicles a wake up, if that's a better way to say it. So here I'm just gathering her hair, and I'm adding the avocado mix to her ends. I'm about to comb out her hair, so I do want to make sure her ends are saturated with the mixture, so it's like a detangler, so I know that it doesn't hurt her as bad because it hurts regardless. So let's get into it some more, moms. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video. So we'll go ahead and get to that combing process. Hold on, I just got to show y'all. Look what this mixture has done. Like, it just made my baby's hair just so nice. Like, if I can put this on her hair and just let her go outside without her catching the flu, oh, I would. But you can't let your baby go outside like that. Say hi. She's like, okay, girl. Okay, girl. So here I'm just combing. So like I said, you guys, you want to start from ends to root. So I combed them ends out with a super wide tooth comb because my baby will start hyperventilating on camera, y'all. Like, she really hates getting her hair combed out. So I just go ahead and comb the ends as much as I can. I use a brush as well that I'll get next. And this brush helps me so much. It gets in that root and it just brings those curls out. Aw, thank you, baby. My baby's so nice. Thank you. She wanted me to eat the whole thing. But here I'm just combing it out. I also comb the ends with that as well before I really dig into the roots. You see it snags. So I know, my baby is not as tenderhead as some kids, so I try to be as gentle as possible. But let me show y'all how this brush just makes her curls so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I gotta slow it down. Okay, I had to let y'all see that. Give it to y'all. The curls are popping. My baby is posing. You hear me? Face and all. But here, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a 2-strand twist. I wish I could get a close-up for y'all because the juice is just coming out of the curl. Like, that's how moisturized it is. And I'm not getting any at all, really none, no shedding. Look at that, popping. So I'm just gonna go ahead and this is my way of detangling. I know some people put it in 4 sections. We just go straight into it, baby. I don't even make sure my parts is right. I make sure there's enough hair, so I ain't combing and recombing. But yeah, we just go right into it. So let's go. Let's get into the combing. So much personality, right? But here I'm just showing you that I'm putting the rest of the treatment on her ends. I'm making sure that it's all through those twists. I've put about 5 big 2-strand twists in her head. I'm going to put a plastic bag over it and a little scarf so it can keep all of the heat in. And I'm going to leave it in her head for about 45 minutes and then we're going to wash it out for bedtime. So me and Kennedy have a message and we want to say thank you for watching and make sure that you're loving that hair. Say bye. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button for more videos, pictures, content, hair videos, nail videos. Subscribe. Say subscribe.